Rollercoin are back with a great offer at the moment with 35% when you actually deposit Doge into the Rollercoin game. Stay tuned to find out more. Alrighty, so the first thing I am going to say is, like I always like to say, is that this is not financial advice. So be sure to do your own research, and it is entirely up to you if you actually want to invest in Rollercoin or any other play-to-earn game or any other online platform. I'm not giving you any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, okay? So I'm going to jump straight into it. Here is my Rollercoin room. If we click on the top left-hand corner here where the little hamster is on the wallet, you can see that here at the moment, Rollercoin have a 35% discount when you deposit Dogecoin into the game. So I've currently got 412 Dogecoins here. They've been there for quite a while. I've actually accumulated some of them through the game itself. So it doesn't actually mean that you have to invest your own crypto from any exchange into Rollercoin, but it also means that you can actually use your Rollercoin balance that you might have acquired through the game itself when you dedicated your power onto the Dogecoin or any other of the tokens. And now at the moment there's 35% on Doge, so if you were kind of acquiring Doge through the Rollercoin game, you could actually now convert that back into RLT and actually get more RLT out of it. So how much more? 35% more. So if we go on Dogecoin here in the wallet, you can see that if I were to deposit one RLT, okay, which is the equivalent of $1 if you were to look at it that way, then I would need to spend 10.78 Dogecoins at the moment with the 35% discount, whereas normally you would need to spend 16.59 Dogecoins, okay? So that does add up, especially over larger amounts. Now, like I always like to say, when you ever come to kind of convert any cryptocurrency into the RLT token, into the Roller token, first of all, bear in mind that once it's in RLT, you can't convert it back, and the only thing that you can do with it is actually spend that game currency, the RLT token, the Roller token, in the game itself, okay? So you won't be able to kind of get it back into crypto, so keep that in mind. Now, when you're actually doing this, I would always suggest that you do it during a progression event. At the moment, there is the last few hours remaining for the Electric Paradise progression event, which is giving you a maximum powerful miner of 1.1 petahash. Obviously, it's not going to be very easy to get that, especially now. There's only 7 hours remaining at the time of recording this video. This video will be up today, so maybe there'll be 5 or 4 hours remaining once it's up. But if you have a big enough multiplier, you could still achieve that, obviously, depending on how much you convert from crypto to the RLT token. But always do that conversion during one of these events. Probably there'll be other events, other progression events out. Rollercoin have been doing progression events pretty much weekly, so probably there'll be another one. I'm not sure yet, but obviously we'll see. But I do trust that the Rollercoin team will keep on bringing new great progression events and updates for you to get even more power in your data centers. By the way, this Neon Surge, it's the 40th level. It's not like other progression events. In fact, to get to a higher difficulty level in the game, it's 650 points, not the normal typical 500 points, because there are more levels and it's harder to get, and the time period was still around 5 days when this started, so it was quite short for the amount of levels there are. So they upped the points a little bit when getting to a higher difficulty level in the game for you to be able to get more points and get those rewards in the same time frame, hopefully. Okay, so back to the multiplier and conversion. Now I'm just going to do this right now just to give you an example. Since I've got around 412, I'm going to convert. Okay, so if I convert 10 RLT, that's going to give me times 1 multiplier. Sometimes in these types of events, there was a previous event, progression event before, where you get for every 10 RLT that times 2 multiplier, but in this case I think it's going to be a times 1. So currently, obviously, you already will have by default a times 1 multiplier, which is normal default. And then if you get another times 1, you're going to have an overall of times 2. So if I convert 10, I'm going to spend 107 Dogecoins with the discount, where I would have to spend 165 if there were no discount. So if I click I accept on the terms of use, private policy and disclaimer, and click on buy tokens, there we go, transaction successful. Just give it a chance. It takes a while for the notifications to pop up sometimes, but if you just go to the game area and refresh, I've got times 2 multiplier now, okay? So it gave me another times 1 with the times 1 I had, so times 2. So for every 10, effectively, you're getting times 1. If I do another 10, I'm going to have times 3. I'm going to show you that as well, just so we're on the same page here, okay? And again, another important thing that I just remembered, so you've got the countdown going, okay? 59 minutes, 18, 7, 17, 17. So what I suggest is don't spend all the cryptos that you want to spend all at once, okay, like I've mentioned in my multipliers video as well. Let that timer get down to 5 minutes or so, and then do, for example, another 1 RLT, and the 1 hour will start again, but your multiplier will go times 2.1 in this case, if you do just 1 RLT. So let me just show you that right now. So it's currently on 58 minutes. I'm going to bring that up back to 1 hour now. If I do the wallet again, and if I go to 1 RLT for Dogecoin, and I'm going to pay another 10, I accept, buy, and the multiplier will become 2.1. You see that? So if I go back to the game area here, it's 2.1, and the time has reset back to the full 1 hour, okay? So that's important. So normally what the strategy I like to use is let the timer, the countdown, go down almost all the way, okay, and then do another 1 RLT. So if you're kind of planning to kind of invest like, I don't know, 400 Dogecoins, okay, so maybe I'll do 300, and then I'll keep on playing with 2, 3 RLT here and there, okay, which will probably, I'll be spending 10, 20 in this case, 30 Dogecoins, and that will always extend the time for me, giving me more time in order to get the maximum out of the progression event, obviously until the time of the progression event runs out, because then it will be pointless. So basically that is all that I wanted to show you today. Rollercoin have again given us a nice discount on one of the crypto coins. There were times that there were crypto coins as well. Like for example, I remember there was WPEP in the very beginning that had a 50% discount when they had just introduced it in the game, okay? So look out for these little things, because they are much better than just converting your crypto that could be that you could have earned through the game, not necessarily through transfer of an exchange, okay? So just look out for these, because these are really going to give you a significant boost in RLT. And always remember that I did not just get the multiplier here that I can now use for the progression event, but I also have the RLT accumulated in my balance as well, which you can spend on even other miners as well. But during obviously the progression event, you're going to have a better chance, a much better chance to get even more power, even more miners as well. So you're kind of getting RLT that you can spend on your data center to enhance your power and your room, and possibly purchase even more miners and racks and things like that. And also you're getting the rewards from the progression event as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.